Okay, after putting inserts on all the wheels and axles and tires, you'll go to put it together and we realize if we look at it a little bit more closely, we have a problem with our tires and our wheel. They don't fit. So we've got to figure out what we want to do to fix it. Now we could get out our calipers and measure and see, okay, where did Project Lead the Way make the mistake in giving us dimensions? And we could go in and fix the dimension, but for the purposes of what we're doing, I don't think it really matters. Let's just make them fit. Because you kind of did make your own tires. So I like big rims. So I'm going to make my rims bigger to meet the tire. Now there's an easy way to do this. Okay, so I'm going to look in at one of my rims. And that's one of my rims there. And let's go ahead and edit that. Now if I edit that part in the assembly file, okay, I can see all the other geometry for the tire and of course the rest of the pieces as well. But so let's go into our very first extrusion and edit that sketch. Okay, and remember we did that very initial sketch with offsets. So I'm going to delete the 0.35 offset. So now it's not fully constrained. Since I have all that other geometry there, I can do project geometry and I can project those edges. And then I could either do coincident, I could take that point and put it there. So by doing the coincident constraint, I took one of those points on the ridges on the tire and expanded that, you know, and made that coincident with my outer ring of my tire. Now I finished sketch and the rim has expanded. I return to the file. I am going to want to make sure I save that. And that's the beauty about Inventor. I change one part, it changes them all. Okay, so that's the fix for the tire.